Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best robotic lawn mower. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is MowRo Robotic Lawn Mower. The Redback MowRo RM24 is a robot mower ideal for small yards. It trims the lawn gradually, mowing a bit each day. However, for tiny yards that don't require constant mowing, you can set it to mow once every 48 hours. This way, it keeps your lawn looking great without moving around all the time. The mower and charging station are compact, so they can easily stay hidden when not in use. Number 7 in my list is Gardena 15201-41 Robotic Lawn Mower. The Gardena Minimo is a small robot lawn mower perfect for tiny yards and limited budgets. This 13.4-pound robot has a single disc cutting system with 3 pivoting blades, capable of cutting 2,700 square feet of grass on a single charge lasting an hour. It can handle shallow slopes up to 14 degrees, 25% incline, which might be less than our top pick, but it still does a good job for smaller yards. Number 6 in my list is Gardena 15202-41 Robotic Lawn Mower. The Gardena Minimo is a great choice for smaller yards up to 5,400 square feet. Its price is competitive, and while it may lack some advanced technical features like remote operation and Wi-Fi updates, it is sturdy and excels at the basic task of lawn mowing. This mower comes in 2 versions, with maximum cutting areas of either 2,700 square feet or 5,400 square feet. It stays within bounds thanks to a perimeter wire and navigates better with an intersecting guide wire. The cutting height is relatively low, ranging from 0.8 inches to 1.8 inches, making it ideal for dense grass and smoother terrains to achieve the best lawn appearance. Number 5 in my list is Husqvarna 115H Robotic Lawn Mower. The Husqvarna Automower 115H is designed to mow various grass types on lawns up to 0.4 acre. Its 18-volt 2-amp-hour lithium-ion battery is durable and provides 60 minutes of runtime per charge, taking only an hour to recharge. The cutting head can be manually adjusted between 2 inches and 3.6 inches. Suitable for warm season or cool season grasses. It can handle slopes with inclines of up to 17 degrees. Through Bluetooth connectivity, users can control the 115H using the Automower Connect mobile app. This app allows for adjusting the schedule, starting or stopping mowing as needed, monitoring the mower status, and even ordering replacement blades from one convenient location. Number 4 in my list is Redback Robot Lawn Mower. The MowRo Robotic Lawn Mower is a great option for small to mid-size yards with steep hills, as it can climb slopes as steep as 30 degrees. It features an efficient brushless motor powered by a 28-volt 4-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, providing 2 hours of runtime per charge, with recharging taking about an hour. This mower can mow up to 0.25 acre, either on a schedule every 48 hours or on demand. Safety features include rain, tilt, and impact sensors that help it operate safely by avoiding bad weather, excessive slopes, and obstacles. The mowing height can be adjusted manually, ranging from 1 to 2.5 inches. All scheduling and operations are conveniently performed via the onboard control panel. Number 3 in my list is Husqvarna Robotic Lawn Mower. The Husqvarna Automower 415X is a well-equipped mower suitable for warm season grasses on lawns up to 0.4 acre, especially those with challenging obstacles, narrow passages, and sloped terrain. It has a mowing height range of 0.8 to 2 inches, making it ideal for maintaining low-mow grasses like zoysia, Bermuda, and centipede. Powered by an 18-volt 2-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it offers 50 minutes of runtime per charge and recharges in just 60 minutes. This premium mower comes with a high-resolution onboard display, a rugged poly front bumper, LED headlights, and coarse tread wheels that can easily handle slopes up to 40%. Number 2 in my list is Gardena 15,000 and 1 to 20 Robotic Lawn Mower. If you need an affordable and straightforward robotic lawn mower for a small yard, the Gardena Seleno City is worth considering. It can handle slopes up to 25% and narrow corridors as small as 24 inches wide. The mower works in all weather conditions, day or night. It comes in 2 versions, with maximum mowing capacities of either 2,700 square feet or 5,400 square feet, making it a great choice for most urban landscapes. You'll need a flat level area for the charging station and access to a nearby power source. Number 1 in my list is Worx Landroid Robotic Lawn Mower. The popular Worx Landroid robotic mower lineup consists of models S, M, and L designed for yards up to 0.125 acre, 0.25 acre, and 0.5 acre, respectively. Among them, the Worx Landroid M offers the best combination of capability and affordability. It runs on a 20-volt 4-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, providing 2 hours of mowing time after a 90-minute charge. This model can handle slopes up to 20 degrees, thanks to its high-efficiency brushless wheel motors that offer extra traction. The Landroid's 8-inch self-leveling mowing disc allows it to cut closer to the edges of the yard compared to many competitors. Moreover, the blade height can be adjusted manually, ranging from 1.5 to 3.5 inches. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing and coming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.